It's been 1 year in the UK, and for the past 1 year I have had to do my hair myself. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my natural kinky twist, 2-strand twist. I'm going to try and put a picture of what it looks like because fall is coming and my hair will usually be much drier during winter and fall. So this period I just want to put my hair in a natural twist, which is why I'm going to be using a kinky hair to it, just to add it, but then it's going to still look so much natural like my hair. So at the end of the video I'll show you guys how to style it, and I mean style it in a way that it can fit into every occasions that you want to go for. And I'll be able to show you guys how to style it if you're going for like a proper dinner, make it look so beautiful, and it will look like your natural hair. It's just gonna promote that afro kinky beautiful natural black woman's hair. And I'll show you how to style it if you're having like a girls hangout, or you have like a proper date, you know, or maybe you're just going for something official and corporate, or just a simple, you know, updo. So but just stay put, make sure you watch to the end of the video so you see how I'm going to be styling this hair. Gonna be needing I usually call this cotton comb, but I hear it's called tail comb, but you get my point. You'll be needing a wide tooth comb for your hair, and you'll be needing scissors to cut the kinky hair. You'll be needing clips in to hold after sectioning, and a lot of people would like to use gel. I would prefer to use mousse. So you would either want to use mousse for this hair, or you want to use gel. The reason why I don't use gel is after I week my hair will itch me as crazy, and then obviously you will need a conditioner for a natural hair, and then oil to treat the scalp. I'm going to be using 2 mousse because this is not going to be enough, so I got another one on my way back from work yesterday. Another beautiful thing about this hairstyle is you can wash it while it's in your hair. And the last one I had in my hair for like a month, and while I had it, it was still hot, so I kind of was washing my hair every week. And I love this hair because the older it gets, the more beautiful it becomes. It's just like our natural the behavior is just like the way our natural hair would behave. So the extension we're going to be using for this video is our natural kinky, the main one, the kinky hair. You don't need anything crazy, to be honest. You just need any kinky hair that you feel good with, like for kinky twist. First thing I'm going to be doing is sectioning my hair. So if this is your first time trying to make your hair, trust me, it's not as hard as it looks. So this is how the hair comes naturally. It's this long, and I usually will cut it into half. Well, depending on the length you want the hair to, the length you want to achieve. I cut it into half, and that's how I used it. So it's still gonna stretch out after you twist the hair. So I'm gonna show you like how much quantity of hair I'm going. In every kinky, they always come like in straws, like in this bond, like bundle, like you get my point, like it's always this way, it comes this way. So for every of this hair, I probably will get 6 pieces of hair. So let me see, like this. I'm gonna get like 6 hair. First of all, I'm gonna try and divide it into half, just so that I know what I'm working with, and then I go ahead to divide it into 3. That's what I do. It's easier for me that way. And that's because for this time I want it to be smaller. Like I want to do smaller braids. The last one I probably divided it into 3. So now I'm doing that half and half of that. So I have 6 strands now. So now that's divided into 6. So I'm going to take 1 strand, then I'm going to hold it at the middle, like so it's equal, and then I'm going to take that part. Hold on, let me put this in one side. Yeah.
At this point, I was already tired, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the extension Kinky over the already sectioned hair, and after that I'm going to divide my own hair into 3, allowing each of this extension Kinky to take one part of the hair, leaving my own hair with 1 extra strand. After I've secured it with a 3-strand braid like this, you can see there is still 1 extra hair without an extension. So I'm just going to move that to any of the ones with the Kinky extension and just twist it down. So basically the reason for the 3-strand twist is to secure it down to the root of my hair so that it's firm. And then for the twisting, it's pretty much very straightforward. Even if you don't know how to do twisting, this is something you'll be able to do, because all I did was add mousse and I just twist the hair, and because I already put mousse, the hair is coily, so it's just going back to its natural twist. I really am twisting very loosely, like I'm not, twisting the hair. I'm just going in circles, and because the hair is it's very soft at this point, it's just going back to its natural coil because of the mousse, which is why I prefer using mousse over gel. So that's basically what I did. And at this time it was getting very late, so I just tried as much as possible to be fast as I could, because while I started the hair, I still had a lot of things to do. So I went around with my day. So while sectioning this hair, you have to go in circles, which is what I just tried to show you guys. So this was the next morning. I went to bed by around 2, and this is how far I could get. Anyway, like I said, I kept going in circles, and after I was done with circles, I started going like from the middle of the hair. Now I'm at the front, and I'm just watching the movie while I do so, because it can be very exhausting doing your hair yourself. But anyway, I kind of still enjoy it because I kind of get exactly what I have in my head. So moving on, this is just me trying to finish up the hair at this point. And yeah, I was really excited it was coming to an end, and right now the hair is looking way more beautiful than when it was first made. Like I said earlier on, the older it gets, the more natural it looks. And every time I go out, people always say, oh, your hair is very long and very thick, and I'm like, it's an extension. But that's the beauty of this hair. It makes it look very natural, and there is, because it blends very well when it gets old, you won't be able to know that it's not your hair. Like, it blends so well that there is no sign showing that there's an extension in your hair, which is why I love it. If you want to achieve that same thing, I would say get a kinky extension that is very close to your hair color. That way it's very hard for people to tell it's not your hair. So if you're worried that your hair is not going to blend with the kinky extension, which is why I advise that you use mousse, because mousse will help your hair sleep perfectly and blend into the extension without allowing it to freeze or start to come out of the extension, which is why I use mousse. So it's just gonna help the hair blend perfectly well and stay as it is from the first day you make it. And if you want to wash your hair, which I would be doing every 2 weeks, is just get your hair washed. Make sure you wash the roots of your hair, and when you're done, just spray conditioner and water mix on it, just to allow it get back to the vibrant color, and then add mousse, and that's simple put. So one more time, I'll be describing how it's done. Like, there's already a section here, and I'm just gonna put that one extension over it. Why I divide my natural hair into 3, so there is one natural hair without an extension with it, and I'm just gonna make the twist strand braid for like 8 to 10 times just to secure it. And after that, I'm going to be left with twist strand. I'm just gonna move the empty strand without an extension to one with an extension, and I'm just going to twist loosely. As you can see, there is space between my hand and the hair. That's why it's twist. I'm just moving in turns, and it's just twisting by itself naturally without stress. And I think the reason why it's easy is because I'm sectioning my hair very small. I'm not going with a medium size, I'm going with a thin size, which is easy to twist and just allow the hair blend with the extension. Obviously, if you're going to be going with a medium size, you probably will have to control the twist because your hair is way more thicker. But because the hair is smaller, it's easier for the extension to lead, if you get what I mean. So just watch it over again, and I'm very sure you will get it. One more time, I was showing you guys again. I'll try to zoom in so you can see. So I'm just gonna put it over, and that is me dividing my hair into 3 sections, and that's it. And I'm going to twist, leaving one section without extension, and I'm going to do the 3-strand braid till it's secured down to the root and firm. And that's when I'm going to take that one and move it to the other side, and I'm gonna add mousse while I twist so that my hair can blend with the extension. So this is a 2 weeks update on my hair and a styling video. So I'm just going to show you guys how to style it. The first style will be putting my hair into a side parting and just taking a section of the hair and moving it to the side. And yeah, that's a whole different look entirely. Just try to put it in place, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So this second styling is my favorite, and I would say it always makes me look cute. So definitely I'm going to probably wear this style for a date. I'm just going to take a portion of the hair from the middle from both sides, and I'm going to use an elastic band to secure it up, just like the way you're saying. Pretty much always makes me look very cute, and I'm not going like in a perfect circle. You want the back to still look very full and not scanty, so I'm taking just a little portion from the middle so that the back still looks very full and cute. And I'll say it again, this hair is pretty cute. It's very beautiful and it just makes me look good. Anyway, it's a 2-in-1 style. You can also go ahead to twist that into like a bun, and just to give you like another style just like this. Everything gives a different look, which is why I love this hair. So many ways to style it. This time around I'm gonna put my hair in a high bun. I love this. This is my second favorite. I'm just going to use an elastic and that's all. Put in a high bun. The higher you want it to go, the more the hair comes to the front of your face. So this is like, sometimes I take it to work just because I don't want anything distracting me, and it still looks beautiful. Look at it. You can make it look fuller, and if you want to go extra, you can bring out like 2 of the hair from to the side and a whole different look again. Like this is also a 2-in-1. You can do 2 different styles with just it, and yeah, cute every time. This one is also pretty much easy. It's either you put your hair in a low bun, or you take a section and put in a low bun while you leave the extra out, which is what I did. So deciding on what you're going for, I just wanted the hair, a little bit of hair to be on my shoulder, which is what I did. So the next style is just taking this half of the hair and putting it up in a high bun, yeah, just like this. And yeah, voila, another style. So this hair is very easy to style, as depending on what you want to do. There's so many more styles I would have showed you guys, but because I want this video to not be so long, which is why I didn't go that extra. I love me a hair that's easy to style, easy to manipulate, and still protects your hair at the same time. Anyway, this is the end of this video. I really hope you like it. See you next.